going on, guys? Hey, welcome to a short episode of Bad Beast BBQ. Hey, tonight we're going to go ahead and pull the winner of our t-shirt contest. Now, this is the t-shirt I was supposed to pull on Saturday, but due to circumstances beyond my control, I had to postpone it for a couple of days, okay? That just gave a couple extra people a chance to get into the contest, all right? So let's go ahead and draw the winner, and then we will go ahead and make a special announcement or a special idea that I have. So I'll let you guys decide. So let's go ahead and pick the winner. Okay, guys, here we are at our YouTube random comment picker. And we're going to go ahead and copy and paste our video URL into the picker. And we're going to load up our comments. So we have 80 unique comments. So let's go ahead and pick the winner. And the winner of the t-shirt is Cooking with CJ. All right. Okay, brother. So Cooking with CJ, we're going to get with you, brother, and we're going to get your mailing address, your size and things so we can get that t-shirt out to you as soon as we can. Okay. All right, guys. So now for a special announcement. All right, guys. So there's our winner, Cooking with CJ. So Cooking with CJ, I'll get with you, like I said, get the address, the color of the shirt, the size, and we'll go ahead and get that t-shirt out to you as soon as we can. Okay. Now for our special announcement, okay? We're going to be adding another segment or a test segment to Bad Beast BBQ. As you guys know, ugly drum smokers or UDSs are kind of the most personalized barbecue apparatus there is out there. Whether you build it yourself, whether you have somebody else build it for you, whether you buy one, what have you, you can always put your own twist on it, okay? Coloring, hardware, so forth and so on. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing a ugly drum smoker either of the month or however periodically I can run this. So what we're going to do is we're going to get 5 or so photos from you guys of your ugly drum smoker, you know, pictures of it of all angles, close-ups of the hardware, maybe some close-up pictures of you cooking on it, and a short little write-up of what the color scheme means, what type of hardware, is there anything special about it, you know, what you cook on it, just some information on how you use your UDS and what your UDS means as far as the color scheme and things of that nature goes, okay? All photos need to be in landscape format and of high quality, all right? And what we're going to do is we're going to pick 4 or 5 people, we're going to group them together, we're going to put them out there, and we're going to have the subscribers, our viewers, pick the winner for that particular UDS setup or showdown or tour, okay? And then we have a special UDS Syndicate t-shirt that we designed, so we will send you a UDS Syndicate t-shirt from Bad Beast BBQ, and we will go ahead and I don't know, maybe add something else to it, but this is a work in progress. So if you like the idea, let me know, leave a comment at the bottom, leave a like. If you got some other suggestions, we're going to go ahead and add that to it also. But I may do this like, well, once a month or maybe once every 2 months or so, depending on how many entries we get and how time consuming it is to put the videos together. Okay, so make sure you send like, I'm going to put a new email address in the description block and down here at the bottom of the screen. So if you're interested, send your pictures to the address below or the address in the description block for the UDS setup tour or the UDS tour or the UDS show off, or I haven't had a come up with a title with it yet, but I will. Okay, so but that's about it. Hey, Cooking with CJ, once again, congratulations. And like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.